So we're not going to do this really interview style, but if you would just tell us in your own words how this class has made a difference to your business, particularly the Winwood coloring book. You might want to use the name of the business.
In the last few years, I've been teaching myself how to do digital marketing. And it wasn't until I arrived in this course that everything came together and I was able to learn with a clear path to do the digital marketing, different routes that I could have taken, you know, if I'm wrong.
So have you, tell us a little bit about some of the tools that you used in an innovative way to begin to build the marketing programs for the next version of the Winwood.
Right. One of my favorite now skills I have that I learned in this course was creating landing pages and how to do them properly, how to have a funnel and a channel for people to go through the steps that I want them to go through. From the moment in which they see my ad in Facebook or Google to the moment in which they make a purchase. I could have not done it without the knowledge that was given to me in this class.
What about pixels? Are they easy or hard to use? Are they fun or are they crucial?
They're crucial, absolutely. I learned how to.
Pixels?
Yes, pixels. No. Yeah. I learned how to properly install pixels in my website. That was crucial. It seemed very difficult, but with the help of the teachers, I was able to do it in a breeze.
And tell us a little bit about the launch of your new project. So when can we expect your, give us a little sales
Right.
pitch.
My new project, which is a platform for coloring books, is called aimfulcoloringbooks.com. I started it from scratch on the week 1 of the class, and by week 12 I already had the site running and the prototype of the product while generating sales, doing marketing, and it should be ready in a few more months by the end of the summer.
And would you recommend this course to other small business people living in South Florida?
I 100% recommend this course. In fact, in the next one I'm going to bring my sister. That's how good I think it was. In fact, when I started the class, I was taking various other classes, and I dropped them all just so I could focus 100% on this one, and I do not regret that one bit. The best decision I made this year.
Perfect. Good. All right.
All right.
All right.